Aimix concrete pump suitable for the houses in commercial buildings under 30 floors, small bridges, etc. It can be perfectly combined with concrete mixer truck, self-loading mixer, and concrete batching plant to improve work efficiency. Start the engine. After 3-5 minutes idle running, turn on the button of pumping, entering to the pump working condition. First, pump water. Pump 1 or 2 hopper water in order to humidify the pipe. Second, pump mortar. Pump 1:2 ratio mortar, to make the whole conveying pipes get lubricated and then can pumping concrete. Note, don't let mortar totally pumping out. The mortar should keep above the line of mixing axle. After concrete added into the hopper, then pumping together. Third, pump concrete. When the mortar oddments is above the mixing axle, add the concrete and start pumping. Note, the concrete in the hopper should always keep the above the line of mixing axle. Don't empty pump. Note, when the pump distance is too long or too high, suggest to pump mortar first, then pump water to clean pipes, present blocking due to aggregate segregation when washing. After pumping, first, open the hopper door and release the remaining material in the hopper. Second, close the hopper door, and use water to clean hopper and pipes. Put the 2 water-soaked cleaning bowl into the taper pipe. Put water into the hopper to deliver by pump, until the cleaning bowl take out from the end of the pipe.